Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you that how I used to learn the difficult words and their meanings. I have saved all the pamphlets and right now I will show you those pamphlets and you will come to know that how I used to gather the difficult words and write down their meanings, and on daily basis I used to memorize them. And here you can see this is a file you can see, and in this file those pamphlets are kept. There are so many other pamphlets laying in my box, and these are some which I want to show you. I will take these out. You can say these are the pamphlets. Difficult words and their meanings are written on both sides. You can say this side is also written, this side is also written, and these are much older papers about to turn out, you can say. And here what is written: relevant, bachelor, database, queries, foundation, periodicals, intent, leaflet, permit, donation, secure, regard, adequate, exceed, contemporary, snail, confederation, midwife, solidarity, archives, attribute, attribution, modify. And if I read this pamphlet: secularism, utter, transcend, ethnic, racking chair, subversive, expediency, unleash, ransack, prone, rendition, jeopardize, fundamental. Here are too much difficult words also written, and whenever I read some things where I find the difficult words, then I tick those words and then search their meanings and write down on these pamphlets. And on daily basis I used to read one pamphlet, and here are so many words written. I think if I count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 30, 14, more than 50 words written, and on some pamphlet there are more than 50. Here this is the pamphlet, old pamphlet, and here the difficult words written: generosity, objective, rational, assume, obligation, dedication, motivated, passion, betrayed, delicated, conventions, transmit, misery, strict, prejudice, consulate, franchise, commandment. And in this way so many others words are written. By showing you these pamphlets, these are too many pamphlets, and there are, as I told you, other pamphlets laying in my box. By showing these pamphlets, I mean to give you the encouragement, a passion to learn the English language. How can you make your vocabulary more powerful, more beautiful? By learning, memorizing the difficult words and their meanings. And it takes time. Still I don't know the meanings of some of difficult words. Whenever I read them, I don't know the meanings. Then I have to read the meanings in my Urdu language. So I will revise them once again, not once again, but again and again after the interval of some months, so that some of words will be memorized me permanently, and I will make them use in my speech. whenever we don't make the words in our speech, don't use the words, difficult words in our speech, then those words are not easily memorized by us. To memorize, we should understand the depth of those words. What is the meaning of those words, and in which situation we can use those words. And when we use those words in sentences in our daily speeches, then those words are permanently become our part of our memory. Otherwise, you have to memorize them again and again. In this way, when you memorize again and again, some words will be fed in your mind, and they will be the part of your memory. So, main motive to talk with you in this video, that if you want to improve your English, first of all, as in my previous videos I told you that learn the simple sentences, basic sentences of daily use, memorize them and use them in your speech. Then learn the tenses, then learn the active voice, passive voice, and after this also learn the direct and indirect and some grammatical rules and regulation. Then leave the grammar, left the grammar, leave the grammar behind and try to listen the videos in English language, listen the podcast in English language, again and again listen, to make your memory more powerful, more better. In this way, when you consistently work on learning English language, then gradually you will improve your language, and one day you will become a fluent speaker. But to become fluent speaker, it requires too much hard work and dedication and passion. And you should also set your goal that you will do after learning the language, you will do such and blah blah things. When you have the passion, when you want to do something through this language, then you will happily learn this language. If you put pressure on your mind to learn this language, it will become difficult for you. But if you happily learn this language will become your friend, and easily you will get the command on this language. Otherwise, after some times learning, after some words or some sentences, when you feel that it is too much difficult to learn the language, you will quit. Then no mean of learning the other things. So, main thing is that do your continuous effort to learn the language, set your goal, and if you want to become fluent, for that you have to speak the language with someone. If you learn the language, if you read the language, if you memorize the difficult words, but you do not speak the language, then you will not be able to speak the language. To speak the language, it requires the practice. As you know that practice makes the man perfect. And again and again practice will make you surely the perfect person. And I hope that one day you will also be able to speak fluent English. I am also a student of English. I am not the teacher of English. I consider myself the student of English, and I am learning the language as I have shown you the pamphlets. Still, when I get the leisure, I used to memorize these difficult words and their meaning. In this way, gradually I am increasing my vocabulary and also the fluency. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the subscribe button and give your positive suggestions below in comment box so that we will make the next video according to your choice. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.